Would you believe it if I tell you that this gorgeous makeup look on my face that is so simple and natural was achieved using just a foundation, a powder palette, lip liner, lip gloss, and an eye pencil? Would you believe me? If you want to learn how to achieve this kind of look on your face for church and you have a Zoom meeting, but you just want to achieve your makeup in no time without concealer, without the whole setting powder and all of that, then you want to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this makeup look from start to finish. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time today, my name is Olachi and you already know this channel is about teaching you how to achieve great makeup. If you have any makeup that you want to do, makeup mistakes, I help you correct them. I give you tips on how to achieve great makeup on yourself and on your client. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share, and also subscribe to our channel. Turn on your post notification bell, most importantly, so that you will be notified whenever we drop a content like this. Let's get right into the makeup. The first thing you want to do is clean your face, and you can use a micellar water and a wipe, or you can use just a baby wipe or a makeup wipe to clean your face. So go ahead and clean your face so you can have a clean canvas to work on. After that, go ahead and hydrate your skin to pull more hydration to your skin. For this I am using the Kissbeauty hydrating spray that contains aloe vera. Dry that out with a mini fan and then go in with your moisturizer. For moisturizer, I'm using the Blossom moisturizing cream. This contains hyaluronic acid, which is great for my skin type considering I have an oily skin. You want to moisturize your skin very well and make sure to also dry it out with a mini fan before going in to do the next skin prep. Next, I went on to apply more moisturizer to my skin, and this is the simple moisturizer that also doubles as a primer. I applied that very well on my skin, and I also had my friend with me in the studio that day, Victoria, so it was a fun section until she went outside to start making her hair. You want to blend this properly into your skin. If you want more priming, you can also go ahead and add more primer to your skin, but this was okay for me. I just had to dry that out, and then I went in with a primer spray to spray the whole of my face. Dried it out also before going right on to do my foundation. Next, I'll be going in with my foundation, which is the MAC Studiofix in the shade YC46. You want to apply a good volume on your face, but please be light-handed. Going in with my beauty sponge, I'm going to blend that properly onto my skin. So take your time and blend this out properly so that you're not going to have any harsh line. Now, when it comes to concealing under the eye area, I am not going to use concealer. I am still going to use this same foundation I am using on my face. I'm just going to pick a good volume and then use it to conceal under my eye area, which is highlighting it and basically also lifting up the under eye. So after doing this, there will be no need for you to now start concealing your eyes again, which is going to cost you to spend more time on your makeup. So take your time and blend this out properly. After blending it out properly, you will now go ahead and set under the eye area using your pressed powder instead of using a setting powder. You are now going to use a pressed powder to set under your eye area, and the pressed powder I use is the Reng Beauty's pressed powder. You see the shade I picked, so go ahead and pick a shade that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and use it to set under your eye areas very well. So while doing that, you also want to use the powder to also lift your eye areas, like lift your eyes, which is your face. You can see what I'm doing in the video. I'm basically using it to also lift my eyes while setting under my eye areas. You can see how flawless it is coming out, and it's giving off this whole natural look. So you want to do that very well. After doing that, go ahead and now apply powder all over your face, and for this you're going to use a powder shade that is your exact skin tone and undertone. You can see how my makeup is turning out so flawless and it's still giving off a natural vibe. So take your time and apply powder to your face. Then you go ahead and contour your face using the same powder palette you used. You see, so many things we've achieved using just this powder palette. We've been able to conceal under the eye areas, we've been able to set under the eye area, set the whole of the makeup, also contour the face, and you're also going to use the same powder palette to contour your nose. So keep watching what I'm doing in the video, and do well to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. So go ahead, take your time and set your makeup very well. This is me taking my time to set my makeup very well so that it's going to turn out flawlessly. I also use the same powder palette to also reverse my contour. You can see what I'm doing. It's going to help you reverse your contour and chisel out your face. After that, go ahead and set the whole of your makeup to give it a skin like finish, and then dry it out with a mini fan. After doing that, we are going to go straight into eyeshadow application, and for eyeshadow we are still going to use this same powder palette. Now you're going to use a darker shade from the powder palette to first of all transit the grace of your eyes. We're going to do our transition color using the darker shade of the powder, using the darker shade of the powder palette that we've been using all over our face, and then we are going to pick a lighter shade from there to apply on the lid of our eyes. Keep watching the video, you're going to see everything I am doing in the video, and do well to replicate this makeup to church or for your Zoom meeting or to an occasion that you just want to look flawless and beautiful and not spend too much time on your makeup. Thank you so much. After applying some eyeshadow on the lid, which I also use my palette, you go ahead and pick a darker shade from the palette and then blend out the lid of the eyes and the transition color. You see how it turned out. Using my Reng eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. So you can see me taking my time to line my waterline. This can be a little bit irritating, so take your time and do that very well. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my upper lashes and my lower lashes. I'm not going to be fixing lashes. You guys know that I don't fix false lashes right now because of my eyes. I have some eye condition, so I just go ahead and mascara my eyes very well. Next, we'll go ahead and line our brows, and for brows I'm going to be using the Davis pencil in the shade 03. You want to sweep up your brow. For me, I did not trim my brow here. I'm still grooming my brow because I'm going to be using it to teach you how to groom your brow perfectly by yourself. So go ahead and sweep your lashes and then outline your brow. Go ahead and then fill up your brow. Take your time and do this. This can be a little bit hard, but not so hard if you continue to practice, because constant practice makes you a perfect person. After outlining your brow and filling them in,
You now go ahead and take a concealer, or you can use the same foundation you used on your face to correct your brow bone and also highlight it very well. Keep watching the video, you're going to see how I highlighted my brows in the video. So to highlight my brow and to correct it, I'm going to be using the Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC3. Going in with my angle brush, I'm going to pick some concealer and use it to like clean out my brow bone. You can see what I'm doing. Just work from the inner corner. After doing that, go ahead and blend out any harsh lines between the concealer and your transition color. Next, we'll go ahead to do our lip work, and starting off first, we are going to be outlining the lips, and for this we are using the same pencil we use on the brow, which is the Davis pencil in the shade 03. So go ahead and outline your lips very well. After outlining your lips, you go ahead and blend it out before applying your lip gloss. At this point, it seems I was practically going out of your faces and you couldn't see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry about that. Just I was trying to see what I was doing in the mirror, and with no one to help me see my camera and if I am actually in the camera for you all to see, it was just a whole lot. It was kind of difficult, but I'm happy at the end of the day I was able to pull out something that made sense, and I hope this video really helped you. After that, you want to go ahead and also like pronounce your outlining using a black pencil, and this is the same black pencil I used in lining my waterline. Use it to outline your lips again before blending it out. I hope you all do well to subscribe to my channel, please, and also give this video a thumbs up, comment and share so that we can push it to more audience. Thank you so much. After doing this, go ahead and apply some gloss. For the gloss, I'm using the peach gloss from Blossom Cosmetics. You go ahead and apply that on your lips and make sure to blend it out together with your outline so that there is no demarcation between the both of them. After that, go ahead and do some final touches to your face, which is your powder. I'm going to be using my pressed powder to do some final touches to my face. I'm also going to go ahead and apply some blush so that I'll bring some warmth to my face. If you don't apply some blush, you might end up looking a bit pale and sick. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Veebeauty Girls Night Out Blush Palette. Pick a shade that works for me and basically blush up my cheekbone and then the tip of my nose. Just keep watching, you will see what I did in the video. After that, the next thing you want to do is use the precise part of your beauty blender to uplift your face. That's lift up your eyes very well, and then go ahead and use that beauty blender to also set under the eye area again. This is going to give it a flawless finish. Once you're done with that, go ahead and seal the whole makeup for a longer wear, and for this I use FBH locking spray, then dry that out with a mini fan.
And here's the final looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Do not forget to turn on your post notification button so that you will be notified anytime we drop a content like this. And also subscribe to our channel. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.